السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome back, grade 8 students. This is part 2. This is part 2 for the same unit, structure of matter, subatomic particles. With you, Mr. Musab. Now, our objective today to know the meaning of atomic number. What is meant by atomic number? What is the meaning of atomic number? And also know that any element, we write it, we have symbol for this element and the atomic number for each element. So our objective today to know the meaning of atomic number and the symbols for each element Now, we have a new word here. It is atomic number. A new word is called atomic number. And proton, neutron, electron, and also nucleus we have taken before in the last lesson. So let's start with the meaning of atomic number. What is meant by atomic number? Atomic number is number of protons found in the nucleus of an atom or an element. Any atom, we said before that any atom consists of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons, neutrons, and electrons. Now, only number of protons equals atomic number. Number of protons equal atomic number. The atomic number uniquely identifies a chemical element, which means each element in the whole world has a certain or a fixed atomic number. Atomic number varies from each element. Like for example, sodium has 11 atomic number. Its atomic number is 11. 10 is neon element. So by changing the atomic number, the chemical element itself will change. In neutral atom, in a neutral atom, neutral means uncharged atom. The atomic number is also equal to the number of electrons, Under one condition, number of protons equals number of electrons. Under one condition. What is this condition? It is uncharged atom or neutral atom. This is a condition. For example, we have here oxygen atom. Let's count together. How many electrons here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have 8 electrons. So the atomic number will be 8. From where we bring 8, we count the number of electrons in this symbol. And the chemical symbol is O, capital, and the element name is oxygen. How many electrons? This is like workout. You can solve it and see how we can solve this question. How many electrons does it have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many electrons does it have? It has 16 electrons. How many protons protons does it have? How many protons does it have? Also 16. How many? What is the atomic number? Also 16. Because we have said that any neutral atom, any atom, neutral atom has atomic number will be number of protons and number of electrons will be the same. So if atomic number is 16, means number of protons also 16 and number of electrons also 16 because it's a neutral atom. This question you have to write at home. How many? Work out. Just try to count number of electrons as you can, starting from inside out, from here, 1, 2, and so on. You will count all these circles, you will count it, and this will be number of electrons. Then it will be the same. Number of electrons will be the same for number of protons, and the same for equal for the number of the whole atomic number. Here, complete the table. What is the symbol for aluminum? Symbol for aluminum is A capital, L small. Number of electrons are 13, so number of protons are also 13. Atomic number will be also 13. Potassium. Potassium is K capital. Its symbol is K capital. If atomic number is 19, so it will be the same for all. Cobalt, C capital, O small. If the number of electrons is 27, so number of protons also 27, and atomic number is 27. Now we have to try out and solve the missing. As you can see here, this is aluminum. Now, element, substance. What is the definition of element? What does element means? It means that a substance cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical means. You cannot divide it into two new substances. If it is sodium element, it means that all atoms in this substance is sodium, nothing more. Only sodium atoms. Now, an element symbol. What's the meaning of an element symbol? Symbol, an abbreviation for the name of an element. Symbol can have, this is very important, look, see, symbol can have one or two letters. This is very important. Not more. Any element in the world either have one letter or two letters, not more. The first letter always capitalized. The first letter of a symbol is always capitalized. The second letter, if there is one second letter, it is never capitalized, which means it will be always small letter. Like we have said before, for example, oxygen. This atom is called oxygen. Oxygen has one letter, O. So I'm going to write oxygen, O capital. For last example, aluminum. How to write it simple? The first letter is capitalized, A capital. The second letter, because it has two letters, second letter will be small. The second letter will be small. For example, another example, sodium. Sodium, the first letter is, sodium has two letters, so first letter will be capital N. Then followed by small letter A. Sodium, the symbol for sodium is Na. So letter N is the first letter, it will be capital, and the second will be small. Those are the first 20 elements. The first 20 elements. I think you should try to memorize the most you can. Try to memorize it as you can. You will these symbols you are going to use for, I think, for till grade 12. All chemistry, you will have these elements and you will use it. So it will be very easy for you, inshallah, in the future. So try to memorize it and use it. Like, for example, nitrogen, one liter, and it has 7 protons. The atomic number equals 7, and so on. Some elements with their symbol are given below, like the same. For example, copper here, 2 letters, Cu, C capital, U small. Potassium, we said it before, 1 letter K. Nitrogen, aluminum, Al, and so on. You must try to memorize it. Like here, the name of hydrogen, and this is the symbol for hydrogen. The symbol for hydrogen. All right. A table called the periodic table of elements has elements arranged in a special way. So, when we are saying what is the meaning of a periodic table, it's a table. It's a table. The elements inside this table is arranged in a special way. The elements in this table are arranged in order of, this is very important, based on what it is arranged, based on increasing atomic number. So it is very important for all you to know based on what this element or these elements in the periodic table are arranged. Based on what? Based on or in order of their atomic number, by increasing the atomic number. At the end, this is the periodic table. This is the periodic table of the whole elements in the world. Nothing more. Find out the atomic number. Of the given elements and write it in the blanks. What is this? The atomic number. You know what is the meaning of atomic number? Atomic number of protons. So you have to go back and try to find it from the last page. For example, neon has atomic number 10, sodium 11, hydrogen 1, and so on. Aluminum 13, chlorine 17, and so on.